also center should be joined.
Okay. Then what about the rest?
Then we have to do the second layer edge pieces. In step number 3. Then we have to make the yellow cross like we did in the white cross. We have to move the cube opposite for that. Now we have to don't keep white at top. Now we have to keep the yellow at top for second and third layer. And then we have to make the yellow cross. Then we have to join the centers like we are joining in the white. Then we have to complete the corner pieces. And then we have to convert the perfect pieces into accurate. So more 5 steps are there. It's a bit complicated. That 7th step is a bit complicated. So now you practice this much.
I think it will be too much for now.
Yes, of course.
So we'll do in the next
Yes.
I'll keep this and I'll try it on another.
Oh, weekdays also you are available, no, sir? Or only weekends you are available?
I will try to make myself available during the week.
Weekdays, or you can try full 1 week, just only first layer. Next weekend we can do the second layer, third layer. Possible? I'll send you one link on these 2 links I'm sending you on WhatsApp. Just can you review it? 5 stars you can rate it. Yeah. Thanks. It will be very appreciated, sir. Thank you.
I never got to this part.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.